In this video, we're going to teach you how to massage your legs, a stimulating routine to invigorate whenever you need a boost. Warm the massage bar in your hands to start melting the product. Apply the massage bar and spread the oil in long and flowing strokes from thigh to ankle. Keep doing this until you're happy you have enough product covering the leg. Use fast upward motions over the lower leg to stimulate and warm the muscles. Now use the flat of your knuckles to knead both sides of the calf muscle in circular motion. You should feel the leg start to warm up. The next move is a deportment move, which helps with circulation. Using your fists, gently tap either side and the back of the calf muscle alternatively. This time, from knee to hip, use fast strokes to stimulate, then use hacking and cupping movements, using the side of your hands to quickly chop over the area to promote circulation and energise. None of these techniques should hurt. Gently massage around the knee. End with your long flowing strokes around the front and the back of the leg. We hope you enjoyed this how-to video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this.
Ooh.